Top of the second inning to score this game is Connor Whitgriff's first pitch is a sweeping slider at the knee. Lefty 0-1. Here's a changeup outside for a ball. It's 1-1. 1-1. Outside for a ball. It's 2-1. 2-1. Slider tapped in front of first and Lakeland. 2-2. Swinging a foul back. And then go back to his last start. 2-2 again. Swinging a line drive out towards left center field. Base hit. Caught off by Valdez. He slips out there and throw back in is wide. And so we'll see if that'll be a double or not as Valdez hit the deck. Runs his own. Tyler Wilson batting left. And first pitch is outside for ball. Pitch. Wilson on the outside corner. 1-1. Is outside for a ball. Second. 2-1. Fastball flied high up in the air. Slicing down the left field line. It's out of play. It starts without an unearned run. Pitch is spiked in. It's 3-2, at least 13. 3-2's in the dirt for ball 4, and Wilson walks. So you gotta go back to game 2 on Saturday. First pitch to Wilson. Slider down and in for ball 1. 1-0. Runner in motion to second. Pump fake by Berg. Throw to third. On base twice today, double and a walk. Fastball on the outside, Black, a 92 called strike. 2-1. At the knees called strike, and the 2 outs. 2 men in scoring position. The 2-2. Breaking ball grounded back up the middle behind the second base bag. Delgado fields and throws to first to end the half inning. But they're batting left. First pitch is a fastball that zips up and away for ball 2 out of 3 against Lakeland. 1-0 fastball high. It's 2-0. From the week and a half prior. 2-0 fastball high. One of those things, where would they be? 3-0 fastball down and in for ball 4. He walked him. Where would they be if it wasn't for all of those injuries and the pitching to the right side? Pitch. Outside with a changeup for ball 1. It's a lefty. 1-0. Fastball with the heart of the plate called strike. They do have a few other bullpen, but they lost Michael Kennedy, one of their other lefties. 1-1. In tight for a ball. 2-1. Fastball just missed outside of 91, and it's the 3-run 5th inning. He grounded out. 3-1. Fly deep and foul down the right field line out of to the late hours of this one. 3-1. Fastball high, and it's ball 4. Maybe readies. And the 1-0. Fastball line the opposite way to right field. A base hit. Cut it off is Patrick. He can. It goes up against the wall as Montero scores. Wilson, stop sign shown late. It's an RBI double for Dylan Lewis. Tarpons with some insurance, make it 5-3. 0-2. Pitch. Swing and a miss as it catches Berg. Throws to first and he's off the bag. And now Berg is down.